These are the Daily Tech headlines for Thursday, January 29th, 2026. I'm Rob Dunwood. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is ending production of the older Model S and X next quarter at the company's Fremont, California factory to convert the space for manufacturing Optimus humanoid robots, prioritizing an autonomous future. The Model S and X will be sold until stock depletes, but will remain supported despite declining sales compared to the Model 3 and Y. Musk aims to produce 1 million Optimus robots in the converted space and sell them to the public by the end of next year, even though the robots' demonstrations have been unimpressive and Musk is known for optimistic deadlines. Google has proposed a $135 million settlement in a San Jose class action lawsuit, potentially granting Android users up to $100 each. The lawsuit alleges Google collected cellular data without permission, even when location and apps were turned off. As part of the settlement, Google, while denying wrongdoing, has agreed to implement changes like making it easier for users to stop data transfers, asking for consent during setup, and disclosing transfers in the Google Play Terms of Service. The eligible class includes Android users as of November 12, 2017. Starting February 16th in Italy, Meta will charge developers nearly 7 cents per non-template message to run AI chatbots on WhatsApp in regions that mandate their allowance. This comes after Meta's January 15th ban on third-party chatbots, which the company initially blamed on system strain, but which has since sparked anti-competitive investigations. Developers whose bots were affected had to redirect users, but the new fee sets a precedent if more areas force Meta to permit chatbots. Honda and Drive Ohio successfully piloted the new proactive roadway maintenance system, utilizing advanced vehicle sensors and edge AI to detect road deficiencies like damaged signs and potholes across 3,000 miles in central and southeastern Ohio. This system automatically generates prioritized work orders for the Ohio Department of Transportation via Honda's cloud platform, potentially saving ODOT over $4.5 million annually if scaled. Honda plans to commercialize the system and integrate similar detection into customer vehicles for crowdsourced road safety data. Google has expanded Gemini integration into Google Maps for users who are walking or cycling, providing conversational, hands-free navigation and assistance. This allows users to ask Gemini questions while on the move, like finding nearby attractions, checking for cafes with restrooms on the route, or getting ETAs without stopping or taking their hands off the handlebars, furthering Google's goal to make Maps a real-time conversational tool. Apple has mandated that all Patreon creators must switch to subscription billing by November 1st, 2026, a reversal that Patreon criticizes as the third policy change in 18 months, claiming it destabilizes creators' businesses. This requirement eliminates a loophole for bypassing Apple's in-app purchase fees, while Patreon opposes the change and notes that only 4% of creators are affected to the legacy billing. It must comply to keep its app on the App Store, though fans can still subscribe via a web browser to avoid the fees. Meta is significantly increasing its AI infrastructure spending, projecting $115 billion to $135 billion in capital expenditure for this year, up from $72.22 billion in 2025. CEO Mark Zuckerberg justifies this massive investment as necessary to accelerate AI development for personal superintelligence and to integrate large language models with recommendation systems to boost ad revenue. The company expects this strategy to increase operating income above 2025 levels and is launching its Meta Compute initiative, which involves planning for vast AI data center capacity and securing nuclear energy agreements. Google is adding Gemini AI directly to the Chrome sidebar, making it available to Chromebook Plus users. The integration enables users to ask website-specific questions, understand tab groups, modify images with Nano Banana, and use the Auto Browse agent for tasks like finding discounts and making purchases. Future updates will include a personal intelligence feature linking to services like Gmail and Photos, allowing Gemini to answer data-based questions and perform actions such as drafting and sending emails directly from Chrome. And finally, NVIDIA, Amazon, and Microsoft are reportedly in discussions to invest a combined total of up to $60 billion in OpenAI. NVIDIA, an existing investor and provider of the chips powering OpenAI's models, is rumored to be considering an investment of up to $30 billion. Microsoft, a longtime backer, is said to be in talks with an investment of less than $10 billion, while Amazon, which will be a new investor, is discussing a significantly larger investment, potentially exceeding $20 billion. For more analysis of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. And if you enjoy the show, remember to tell a friend to check us out. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.